Oh, Benson's stupidity kills me sometimes. What the heck, dude? Circle flat rail, flat rail. Killed it. I got it. Whoa, what was that? Oh. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to West Mountain. I have no idea what this mountain has for us, but I do know they have one chairlift that you can ride all the way up to the very top, and they have one that you can ride up to the middle. They have a little park, and overall, should be a sick day. We started the day off at Gore Mountain, which was super fun. If you missed that video, check it out right here. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing some night riding, more like late day into the night, because the sun's still out. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. It's puking out here too. So we're gonna have some insane snow, and my gloves are a little wet. We'll be okay. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, this is definitely something you would never see at a Colorado ski resort. Are you building a jump?
Yeah, I'm rebuilding this thing, man.
Rebuilding it? Okay. Are you park crew or are you just doing it?
I do it for everyone, man. Everyone's been loving it so far.
Dude, that's awesome. And that's the landing? Dude, do what you gotta do. That's it. So their jump is called The Jump. So you know it's gonna be sick. Whose house is that? Guys, this place is sick. It's wet right now. The snow that's coming down is super wet, but let's go. This park is super fun. I think they nailed the rail selection in that last shoot. Like down donkey, flat rail, circle flat rail, flat rail, killed it. But you guys know what else is killing it? Today's sticker shout out. We got Peter Devick 1 with the red evolution on the helmet, looking sick. And we got Ingle Lancaster with the warmest merch in the game, dude. You're gonna be so toasty on the mountain. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the dream, snagging Evolution merch. If you guys want to support the dream, you can grab an Evolution sticker or any of our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of the merch that you grab. Just so you know, it supports the channel. It allows me to come do 10 ski resorts in 6 days, and tomorrow will be 7 or 11 ski resorts in 7 days. I can't do this for a living without you guys supporting the dream, snagging stickers, snagging the merch. So guys, thank you so much for everything, allowing us to do this. And if you do snag any of the merch, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram. You would know we're at West Mountain, not West Mountain, if you're following the Instagram, as well as I post a bunch of bonus extra content there. So follow the Instagram, know where we're riding, so you can come say what up and we can take some turns, because I want to snowboard with you guys. It's super sick. With all that being said, this place is sick.
It's dope.
You're pretty mad you haven't come, right? In the past?
Yeah.
Greg's not too far off from this place.
45 minutes.
I'm enjoying it. The chairlifts are a little slow, But other than that, like the mountain is sick, the snow is so good, and dude, we love being on the East Coast. How do you like those blue lenses, by the way?
They're pretty nice.
Dude, the blue lenses are the way to go. Am I wearing blue or clear?
Blue.
Yeah, see? I can't even tell because they're that good. And they protect you from the sun just a little bit. My goggles, my gear in the description. All right, enough plugging, enough talking. We got more snowboarding to do, and then we gotta get to our hotel room.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. No, G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause
you guys probably can't really see this, but this fog is rolling in. And it's getting super eerie.
Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. No, G's, no, please, no photos.
Benton wanted to swing that vine like Tarzan. Yeah, so bad.
There's another one.
It's funny because it's not his facial expression, it's his body motions. I saw how sad he was. That's a branch. Oh, Benson's stupidity kills me sometimes. Dude, you killed this. This looks good.
Thanks, man.
I was expecting a little bump, but I like the shape. Oh, here, send it. Ready for a backflip?
Oh, yo. No way. Yo! That was so sick.
Dude, crush the build.
Thanks, man.
Do like a shifty, late back one. Like with a grab.
Super like.
With a grab. Alright guys, so the lights are starting to kick in. It's starting to get a little dark. It's officially becoming night riding. I don't know how much into the night we'll get because we're all a little pooped. I bet that's why you're more tired. You went off on the rail.
Right.
Dude, Greg was hiking like a madman for this board slide. I've never seen the dude throw down so hard in my entire life. So it was sick to see Greg going after it. But that's why he's more tired than we are, because we stood around while he worked. But the park here was amazing. We were not expecting at West Mountain to have such a built, smooth featured park. It's really good. It's small, but it's super fun. So we're gonna keep sessioning for a little bit. Then we gotta get out of here. We got Windham tomorrow, and then we're back to Colorado. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, we crushed this trip. Minnesota's finest Vinny, dude. killing it. That's why we ride with the Minnesota kids. I truly think they're the best park riders out there, at least when it comes to rails. Dude, oh my goodness.
That's a clean line.
I got it. Whoa, what was that? Why'd you drop the camera? He dropped you guys. Sorry he dropped you guys. He's so rude. Hold on. Dude, that was a full front flip. That thing grabbed me.
Toasted the snow.
Oh, I didn't get too much inside. Alright guys, pro tip of the day. Ready? Watch this. You reach in, goggle chamois in the pocket, window wiper. We can now see it 30% because there is some on the inside. Don't wipe the inside of your goggles if it's wet though. You'll ruin the anti-fog. This is good enough to ride down though. Body, dude.
Dude, you got rocked.
Those are the ones that make you feel alive.
On the last huge one. Oh! Are you kidding? Oh my god! Johnathan needs to go home. He's tired.
Dude, what a night. Everything went smooth here, except for that last run. That's why we call it Chipmunk too. Someone must have said last run before he dropped. Was it you?
No.
Dude, I got bodied twice. All right, boys, thanks for riding with us.
Yeah, of course.
I'll reverse it. I really hope you guys had as much fun as we had. If you did, smash that like button. If you do, the almighty YouTube algorithm will bless me. Oh, man.
Get back.
Shut up, Benson. And more people will see these videos, and that's the whole point, kind of. I mean, the whole point's for me to help you guys become better snowboarders, but the more people that watch these videos, the more people we can help. So smash like to help your fellow snowboarder, and then subscribe if you're new, because once again, my goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, as well as show you really cool places like this place. This was an incredible night. We had so much fun. If you're a kid just getting into snowboarding, you could get so good snowboarding that park. All right, Vinny, we've gone to 10 resorts now on the East Coast. What do you think of the East Coast? You really wanted to do this trip.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. You know, it's a different type of riding, but everybody's been super nice. I feel like we came here at a great time when there's fresh snow, so it sounds like if you want to come to the East Coast, come when there's snow, and you're gonna have a blast. I mean, the parks have really been what's blowing my mind. I didn't think they would have that level of terrain in the parks, and you know, obviously Killington being Woodward was awesome. All these little niche spots are just awesome, so I'd recommend it to 10 out of 10 to anybody. Dude, magical out here. Now with all of that being said, this is our last night on the East Coast, and tomorrow's our last resort, Windham. We've gotten a lot of people saying they were gonna come tomorrow, so we might have a huge crew, which would be the best way to end the trip, honestly, because our bodies are thrashed. So if it's just kind of like mobbing and having a good time and a good vibe, that's gonna be a fun video. If we have to throw double corks again, I'm gonna die. I'm lying, we never threw a double cork. I knew you were gonna hear that. How, like, you never hear anything. I say double cork and he's like, The one thing about this resort though that kind of sucks, they didn't have a pin. I get a pin at every ski resort that I go ride at, and West Mountain didn't have a pin, so I'm super bummed. But if you want to get an Evolution pin, they're available. They're in the description, as well as, dude, check out my description. I got snowboard camp if you want to snowboard with me in June. I have all of my snowboard gear, all my camera equipment, anything. You got to check out the description. You'll have a good time down there. All right, guys. With that, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.